Hey, welcome. Rotor Riot CL1 frame. Now that the real one's been put together and shaken down, time to get into this. No frills, no instructions, no anything. 2 TPU camera mounts, 30mm standoffs, 2 different size mounting hardware, top plate, base plate and a sandwich plate, and 4 arms. They've got nubs on for forward facing, so you've got more material taking the impact. These have already got the nutserts embedded in this plate. Well, this must be 2mm, same for the top plate, 2mm, 2mm all round, 5mm for the arms. These feel very, very rigid. Well, gonna stick it together quick, see what it looks like. Well, it's quite straightforward to go together. Yeah, there's no instructions or anything, but you know, you have a look at the store page, it's quite self-explanatory how this goes together. There's no real provision for bottom mounting the battery, but being a freestyle frame, with plenty of surface area at the top. Hopefully it's going to be durable. I was a bit worried about these nutserts ripping out on a hard hit, but each arm is butted up with a 90-degree cut, so it got leverage up against the other 3 bolts. Yeah, looks like it's a bit of an alien really, doesn't it? Yeah, no frills. I mean, they could have chucked a sticker in or something. Every screw is accounted for, so these arms feel really, really nice. The carbon hasn't got rounded edges, but it's not sharp either, and it's not really that dirty either, so all good. Holes up here for mounting 20x20, 30x30 and another 20x20 on the back. Cable tie slots, VTX mounting, SMA. Yeah, a lot of space in this nowadays. Back in the day, yeah, that would have been all used. I don't know. You know, with Sabotage RC now, they're really coming on strong with some of their frames. You know, there's no foam or anything, whereas with Sabotage, being Armour 10, might have a little edge on this. It's a good excuse to get one. Well, I think I'm going to put this together, seeing as I've half built anyway. But yeah, if you're looking for a budget freestyle frame, from what I can see, this is a good candidate. Happy flying!
Here, Pele. Hey.